Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be like a quick little vlog, declutter, chit chat with you guys. I didn't want to do anything makeup related or TikTok related or any like ASMRs. I just wanted to kind of kick back, chill out, talk to you guys, and organize some stuff. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey. And if you haven't already, hit that bell notification button to be notified every Thursday and Sunday that I upload. Let's get started. So I have a lot of stuff to go through. Snacks, of course. Me and my vanity, I will do a room tour very soon. I just need to finish up a couple more things in my room. So if you guys are watching this in the month of April, as you guys know, we are in quarantine right now. So I thought that it would be great to kind of just go through all my stuff, declutter. Don't mind my anything right now. I'm like totally taking time off from makeup for my skin, and I didn't do anything with my hair. We're just gonna chill for a little bit, just a little bit, until we get back into gear. My favorite Sons shirt, if you guys know, I love Sons of Anarchy. That's one of my like top 3 favorite shows ever, and I've had this shirt forever. I'm just gonna go through some of my things and see what I need to keep, what I need to donate. I'm just gonna dust off my nail polishes. I'm literally gonna measure with a ruler how long my nails get, because that's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna have these things on for like probably 7-8 weeks. Like that's literally double of what I usually do. I don't know what the hell is gonna happen. So I know everybody's going through like a hard, difficult time right now. Yo, this time is going to make or break people's relationships. All I've been hearing is complaints from people and their spouse or whatever. So I'm thinking, if it's like this with everybody, I swear divorce rates are gonna be high after this quarantine, because people are just not getting along. They're stuck in the house with their significant other, kids, whatever, and they're just sick and tired of this shit. But this seriously makes us kind of understand what inmates go through. Like, just think about it. Inmates are quarantined for years, weeks, months, years at a time. Obviously, we're not inmates, we're not criminals, but we kind of get like a taste of their lifestyle. And before, I would understand like why they would go crazy in a cell. They're locked up, obviously in worse conditions than we are in. But now it's like, damn, seeing all these crazy ass people not knowing how to freaking handle life because they're stuck in 4 walls. I feel like that just says a lot about you. Like for me, I don't mind it at all. I love having me time. I love chilling, sitting back, watching all the Netflix shows I haven't gotten to watch in a long ass time. But some people are literally going crazy because they can't go out, they can't have fun. By the way, these House of Lashes glues, I really didn't like. Like at first, they were good, but then the more I started using it, the stickier my eyelids would get. I never got why these would get stickier on my eyelids, so I'm gonna donate those. Can you guys tell a little bit something if you already have followed me on TikTok? If you haven't already, girl, follow me on TikTok. What are you guys waiting for? I love using TikTok as another platform to use my creativity and bring it to life. And TikTok made me get these lights. I love my freaking LED lights. They are so much fun. I went on live the other day. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, you already know what to do. I decided to do a little mukbang / party session with my followers on Instagram Live. So I would play music. First I ate noodles, then I would play music for my followers, and I would change the lights depending on the mood of the song. I also want to hear from you guys. Do you guys like when I vlog? Do you guys like when I do my ASMRs? Are there any videos in specific that you guys want to see? Since we're going through this quarantine, everybody's stuck at home, everybody's looking for some extra entertainment. So if you guys want anything in specific, you already know I'm always down. So comment down below what you guys want to see. This is my rule whenever I declutter anything: closet, makeup, garage, cabinets, anything. If you haven't used it in a year, you're never gonna use it again. Period. That's a either yes or no question. There's no, But I might. If you have that type of mentality, you will literally hoard everything. You can't be like that. Donate to someone who needs it. Now, nude liquid lipsticks I need to get rid of ASAP. Whose idea was this? But with my makeup, I have commitment issues. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I love every single one. Oh, is this Leo? Yes, I love this one. This is a keep. What's this? Exposed? Wow, I haven't used these shades in forever. Should I put them on? Just give me an idea if I want them or not. I'm not feeling this. Way too orangey. No, it's gotta go. All right, I hope you guys are enjoying this chill vibe. I'm gonna put on some music just so we could vibe out together. What the? Candy K? Am I gonna use it? No. Love this lip gloss. I'm a lip gloss hoarder. I love lip gloss. I'm gonna keep this too. These are absolute yes. Which number is this? 3? This is too light. Yeah. Too light. A lot of people are going crazy during this time, but I feel like it's such a good time to reflect on who you are, what you like. You know, a lot of people might feel stuck during these times, but come up with something new. If you're bad at cooking, go practice how to cook. If you don't know how to play any instruments, pick up a new one. Just feel like there's so many things to do and people just get too impatient and don't want to put in the extra effort to keep themselves occupied, which is a win-win, but people are hella weird. I think I'm gonna keep this one though. Yeah, it's number 6. Yeah, I like this one. Now, I believe in manifestation, and if you manifest something, just the law of attraction, you will get it. So I don't tell anybody my plans because nobody needs to know about myself. But one thing that I will talk about is I love podcasts. If I'm not listening to one, I'm thinking of doing one. But right now at this moment, I don't think I could have that happen. But definitely see myself having a podcast later in my life because I love to talk. I have a lot to say and I feel like it would be perfect for me, you know? It's just too pink. Bye-bye. Even though my skin color is really light right now, I love to make myself a little bit tanner with my foundation. So it does change the colors, but I could already imagine what shade it'll be. So it's a no for me. But Naked. I like this color by Farrell. Yeah, this is cute. This is cute. So enough about quarantini. I don't know about this one. This one's really light. This one's a no. 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 Oh my god, my lips. Not cute. This girl is on fire. These are a yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Oh my gosh, I thought I didn't have this one. Well, found it. Let's see what this is. There we go. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh, this one's smooth. Smells like sunscreen. Don't like that. Yo, if it doesn't smell good, it's a no for me. Either don't have a scent at all or have it be super sweet. Clear gloss. I was looking for this. Found it. I literally forgot about these. Completely forgot. I love this color. Is it even dry? Like, kinda. Oh my god. Ruby Woo was one of my favorite colors from MAC. Do you guys imagine how long my nails are gonna be? I'm actually really excited to see how long they get. If you guys want to see a makeup tutorial on this look right here, I recreated the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 collaboration campaign look. I actually recreated 3 of the looks, so this is the first one. If you guys want to see that video, I'll go ahead and link that down below. Now I want to get this hair off. I want to make some TikToks and this shit gets in my ways. Wake your ass up. Bitch, I'm up. I'm up. The fuck? I'm up. Let's take this off. My hair looks so short when I tie it up, but it's really not that short. I got it a little trimmed because it was looking like a broomstick on the bottom, but do you guys know that feeling when you have a tight ponytail and then you take it off and it's like Oh my god. Should I keep my hair down or should I half up, half down situation? Half up, half down? How does that look? Or just a simple, nah, we can't be simple. So I just finished watching Tiger King. Spoiler alert, skip to this right here if you don't want to hear me talk about Tiger King because you haven't watched it or you want to watch it and you haven't watched it already. First of all, I didn't even know it was about like murder and shit. That's my shit right there. So first of all, I was like happy about that. And then it started getting real juicy when Carol started coming around. I'm kind of confusion. Let me tell you why I'm confusion. I felt like at first we started the show and the point was to expose Carol and all the shit that she has done. But then it kind of took a turn for Joe. And I was like, wait, isn't this about him? Like the show is about him and it's literally talking shit, talking down on him after, like at the end, you know what I mean? So I don't know, I was very confused for the turn it took because I was not expecting it to go ape shit on Joe. But so like what was the point of that show? To expose Carol but like also expose Joe and also expose that other guy that has like 17 wives and also expose the other guy that is into partying. What was the point of the show? I was very confusion. I was like, wait, this is like exposing everybody. But other than that, it was a pretty good show. What does she say? Hello all you cool cat and kittens. Is that what she says? Because I like that. Hey, all you cool cat and kittens. All right, my hair is donezo. Super easy, right? Just half up, half down. Wrap it, and that's it. You guys hear all this? Like, it's because of my nails. I could barely pick up shit, but I'm pretty good at it. So like having long nails. Wake your ass up, pajama, mama. Doesn't it feel different like when your bed is made? Like whenever it's not made, I feel like my day is all over the place. But when my bed is made, I feel more at peace. Do you guys know what I mean? Because that's how I feel. Let's do some TikToks. I love doing whenever you put the songs and you say if it's trash or fire. I love doing those because you know a girl loves music. It's the time of the day where we take our makeups off. Take it off, take it off. Oh my god, my eyelash drawer. That needs to be organized. All right, so the darling Miamis need to come off. Oof. Like, look, just look at a makeup look. Like, look at that, trash. And then look at that. Like what an eyelash can do. For any of you who don't wear eyelashes and complain about your makeup looking like shit, maybe you should start wearing eyelashes because your makeup look entirely is gonna change with the help of eyelashes. Let's see if the purple stained because pink stained. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Gotta get the neck. I remember when I was younger and I didn't know the importance of taking your foundation all the way down your neck into the sides. You see it? A little bit of staining going on. Now I'm gonna go shower and I'll be back to braid my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how I braid my hair to get it super wavy. All right, I'm back. Let me go ahead and brush my hair out. If you guys don't have this wet brush, you guys are missing out. This is the best brush ever. It doesn't pull on your hair. It doesn't hurt at all. Like you could literally brush your hair wet. It's so good and it doesn't damage your hair. You know how other brushes, like when you brush it, it like brittles down your hair because of the pulling? This one, it's like literally $6 or $7 at TJ Maxx. I mean, you can find it at a professional store, but TJ Maxx has them. Wet brush. It's called a wet brush. You guys, I am showing the good, the bad, and the ugly. JK, a bitch is never ugly. Do you guys ever get like hella thirsty after a shower? Because I do every time. Okay, the way I braid my hair after I shower is I divide it into 4. So first thing to do is divide into 2, which is straight down the middle. And then divide this part into 2, get it real tight. And then start from like the top. I don't even have to like French braid or anything like that. Just start braiding. So it's gonna be like this much is no braid, so it starts right here. But yeah, this is how I get my waves. 4 braids and that's it. There was just one TikTok dance I was trying to learn. I was learning it. It was too much of that and I had spicy food, so no bueno. It was like burning my insides, so I had to stop. Got the 4 braids. That's it. And then I get this thingy. I put them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just tie them together so they don't bother me too much when I'm sleeping. And that's it. That's how you get them braids and them waves. So I just woke up. Let's get this hair in formation. Look how pretties. Doing my thing, moving too fast. Woo! I go like this with my finger, nails. But this is how it looks, it's the end result. It's gonna tame down right now. It's a little crazy. Look number 2. This is looking really good. And that's a wrap for the final 3rd look. Don't forget to watch this video in my link down below. So I'm in the middle of editing this video and I don't have an outro. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I will have more vlogs coming out since we are in quarantine, and I'll make these vlogs even better every time. We got a lot of time on our hands. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.